Alrighty guys, thank you for clicking on this video. So what I want to do is just show you a really quick tutorial on this awesome software called PropStream. So some of you may have heard of this software, but it's very awesome. It's literally changing the game out there when it comes to real estate investing. So this video is for people who are real estate agents. If you want to get more leads and track down more information, if you're real estate brokers, if you're real estate investors, including wholesalers, buy and hold, fix and flip, residential, commercial, the list goes on and on and on and on. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. So let me show you guys what I mean. So this is actually PropStream. I actually have it myself. And what's awesome about it, as soon as you log in, it has this what's new page to where you can literally see things that are new. So look here, it says new daily feeds from nearly 700 MLS boards nationwide. Also, this is really amazing. This here, new skip tracing replaces contact append. So if you get a list, and let's say if you guys are real estate investors or if you're trying to get the person behind an LLC, you can actually do a skip trace with the click of a button in the system. Gets you the list that you need with the owner's information, emails, phone numbers, addresses, and you can actually market to those guys. Estimated comp features, so it gives that to you, which is awesome. Comps calculation enhancements, additional comps status. This is just it, guys. It goes on and on. Enhanced mortgage balance and equity calculations, new postcard templates. Also, it does some direct mail for you too if you want that. So it can help automate your business. New postcards, dynamics text, so you could do that. Filter enhancements. This is awesome. So I'm just close this. But again, this gives you all kinds of information, guys. Again, you do get a 7-day free trial if you sign up through my affiliate link that I will have posted in the description below on this video. So it is an affiliate link, just so you guys know, to make a couple of dollars if you guys sign up for it. But again, you get 7 days for free, so why not try it? You can see this map here. As you can see, guys, look, it has, I'm not going to type in any specific addresses or anything just because, oops, I already, I'm not going to type in any specific addresses, but yeah, you can see it has, MLS, pre-foreclosure, auctions, foreclosure, cash buyers, liens, vacant, high equity. There's so much stuff. Like there's me. You can see properties, contacts, skip tracings here, campaigns. And then once you find a property, guys, you literally can get everything you need. You can get the owner's information, you get the taxes, you can get the year is built. If there's any comps, literally you click on a tab, it shows you comps in that area. You can even do the comps to where you can actually filter it to like, hey, I only want properties built from, let's say 1970 to 1990, or I want this square footage or this or that, or single family, multifamily, commercial. You can literally break it down. This is amazing. So there's so much to it. It's hard to go over everything in this video, so I'm just making this video very quick, guys. But again, primary vendors, you can locate on and off market properties, distressed or not, generate leads for lists, so you could do marketing to those lists. Vetting properties, you can assess risk, so you can know, hey, should I invest in this or not? If it's too much risk, then you don't even want to invest in it. Calculate feasibility, calculate rehab costs, appending contact information, marketing to prospectors, sellers, and buyers. PropStream actually allows the user to actually combine any number of criteria and then extract lists of properties that meet the exact investment profile. In nationwide coverage for the following: pre-foreclosure MLS properties, bank-owned, cash buyers, free and clear, high equity, vacant properties, non-owner occupied, tax, IRS, HOA, utility liens, bankruptcy, divorce. The list goes on and on, guys. So this really does everything that you need. You really would not need any other system. Even does, again, direct mail for you. So how can you go wrong with that? So again, some of the data points, you get full property details up to 125 relevant fields. You get comps automated. I love the comps because you literally just click on a button, do a few different filters that you want, and then boom, you have comps in your area. Or if it doesn't display anything, you can know, well, there's no real comps to go off of when I'm looking to evaluate this property. Nearby MLS listings, neighborhood information, estimated value, estimated equity, estimated monthly rent. Each property is assessed separately. Outstanding loans, mortgage balances, tax information, owner information. Again, owner, out of state, vacant, all that stuff. Local market trends, average days on the market, average price per square foot, current versus historical inventory, Bing mapping and street views, property snapshot statuses, open liens on and off market. More than $6.5 billion document, images, and assessor's map. That's a lot of data. Imagine trying to store 6 billion documents on your computer. It would crash and probably blow up. Also, you have property snapshots that you can take a deep dive into more details. You have an analysis wizard. Again, you can do like an analysis on a property, just see if something that you want to buy or not. Automated rehab estimator, which is really good for fix and flippers. You can estimate costs just so you can actually see if you're going to go through with that or not. Marketing tools. Again, as like I said, direct mail marketing, postcards, contact information appends. It's just voicemail drops, property landing pages and websites, mailers and postcards, and email. Again, what more do you guys need? I can just keep going, but I don't want to bore you guys too much. But just want to let you know this is an amazing system. Again, I don't want to go into too much because I don't want to just pull up random information and have that displayed here. But again, I do have a free trial for you guys, 7 days. If you guys go through my link in the description below, you get 7 days free. So why not just try it out? If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you do, this can help you level up and get to the next phase in your business. Also, there is for email marketing. Now, this does have email marketing, but I do have a link for a 30-day free email marketing system that I use to market for my affiliate marketing business. So I will have that in the description as well below. 30 days free, guys. No credit card required for that. So again, let me know what you guys think of this, and I hope you guys try it out. Comment below, like the video, share it out with people who you feel this will help them get to the next level in their real estate business, whether realtors, brokers, investors, fix and flip, wholesaler, buy and hold. Again, just let them know about this. This is amazing. And again, we live in the 21st century, guys, where technology can be our friend or foe. I'd rather it be a friend so we can use it to our advantage and to make money out there. So hope you guys like this video. Again, I know it wasn't too detailed, but again, you get 7 days for free. Try it yourself. Let us know what you think, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Greg with Green Zen, over and out.